Shakra Storyland.
Hi kids! Today, let's learn animals from A to Z. Are you ready? Let's go! A is for ant, marching on the ground. B is for bee, buzzing all around. C is for cat, soft and purring. D is for dog, barking and wagging. E is for elephant, big and strong. F is for fox, clever and quick. G is for giraffe, tall with a long neck. H is for hippo, big and splashy. I is for iguana, crawling slowly. J is for jaguar, fast and wild. K is for kangaroo, hopping high. L is for lion, roaring loud. M is for monkey, swinging in trees. N is for newt, a little lizard friend. O is for owl, hoot hoot in the night. P is for penguin, waddling in the snow. Q is for quail, quick and tiny. R is for rabbit, hopping fast. S is for snake, slithering low. T is for tiger, strong and striped. U is for urchin, spiky and round. V is for vulture, flying high. W is for whale, splashing in the sea. X is for X-ray fish, see-through cool. Y is for yak, with furry hair. Z is for zebra, black and white stripes. Wow, you did it! So many animals! Let's keep learning and playing together. See you next time. Bye-bye.